The project, dubbed Insect Feed for West Africa, was undertaken by the Animal Research Institute of Ghana under the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research and under the auspices of the Center for Agriculture and Biosciences International, Sterling University. Lead researcher Dr. Feasibility, in an interview with GH1 News during a visit to the Research and Production House at the ARI here in Accra, said a major objective was to reduce the high cost of producing meat.
In terms of using it for vegetable production or crops production, we can say that this is better. The only challenge is that you need to apply a lot of it compared with but it does better, holds the soil better than the chemical fertilizers.
He explained that fish stock were depleting even for human consumption, coupled with inadequate production of soybeans due to factors such as lack of land, which all have resulted in high cost of production. These insects can be cultivated and used as replacement for fish and soybeans to produce the meat, chicken, pork and the likes for human consumption. He said insects are found to use very little resources to produce protein and that it was good compared to fish and soybean. The Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) of the United Nations forecasts a substantial increase in the demand for meat, especially in developing countries, driven by a rapidly growing population, income growth, urbanization, and changes in lifestyles and food preferences. According to Bebanayele Frederick, project technician at Insect Feed for West Africa, the entomologists settled on the housefly and the black soldier fly based on how fast they can be raised and its affordability. However, the housefly larvae was not promoted very well because there is some kind of bad perception around it, whereas the black soldier fly, the scientists say, is a very safe fly because it does not feed, does not cause any disease, and in the house, it does not sting. With the production circle, colonies are established to use in producing the larvae and turn them to meal. Already, the insect's larvae meal has been used to produce broilers. Within 6 weeks, it is able to grow beyond 2 kilos. The major challenge, however, was to encourage people to go in and produce it on a larger scale. Dr. Obrisi said it was important for every country, including Ghana, to develop on the back of indigenous technology.
The larvae, housefly larvae that we used to see some time ago, which has prejudiced our minds, this technology has overcome it. And now we can use this to improve that one. The resources are available around us. It is up to us to know how to harness it for our own benefits. We cannot rely on the foreigners too much. At least COVID has taught us that we should be able to do things for ourselves.
He also advised that the country should do away with the culture of always looking beyond the border for solutions to problems.